Rooibos, tea lovers, are you ready to elevate your tea game? Have you been wondering about the perfect temperature for Rooibos tea, or how long you should let it steep for that amazing flavor? Today, we'll reveal the top 3 tips for brewing Rooibos tea to bring out its full, delicious taste. Rooibos tea is known for its earthy and slightly sweet flavor, but achieving that ideal taste can be tricky if you don't know the right brewing techniques. Whether you're a seasoned tea enthusiast or a curious newcomer, understanding the correct temperature and steeping time can make all the difference. So, what's the big challenge when it comes to brewing Rooibos tea? Unlike green or black tea, Rooibos is caffeine-free and packed with antioxidants, which means it requires a unique approach to bring out its best qualities. Using boiling water, a precise steeping time, and proper brewing techniques are essential to unlock its flavor, but with so much conflicting information out there, it's easy to miss out on the ideal Rooibos experience. First, let's talk temperature for Rooibos. The ideal water temperature is around 205 or 93 C, just below boiling. This allows the tea to release its natural compounds, resulting in a rich, smooth flavor. Next, the steeping time 5 to 7 minutes is the ideal range for most people, though a longer steep can bring out even bolder flavors without any bitterness. Finally, consider experimenting with add-ons like honey or a splash of milk for a personalized twist on this classic. Now that you know the secrets, it's time to bring them together in your own perfect cup of Rooibos tea. Use filtered water, heat it to around 201, and steep your tea for 5 to 7 minutes, adjusting to your taste. Each cup will bring you closer to the perfect balance of flavor and richness that Rooibos is known for. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the ideal temp for Rooibos tea. Try out these tips today, and let us know how it goes in the comments. And if you're passionate about tea or want more tea tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Happy brewing!